Then with both tissue samples collected, I decided to just give the mushroomy bits a sniff because why not? I then realised that I had left the contaminated jar on the desk the whole time that I was working, and I really shouldn't have done that, but oh well, it's too late now. I seal the lids with grafting tape to reduce the chances of airborne contaminants entering the pots. I then move them into my incubator and leave them to colonise the agar. After around 5 days, I can see that there's plenty of healthy white mycelium growing